Alright, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check up your internet speed securely using ExpressVPN application. So don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friends. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. I'm going to be answering each and every form of questions. So the first step is head over to Google Play Store application, then download and install, and then after open an application called ExpressVPN. Keeping in mind that this VPN application, it is the most secure, a #1 in the whole world. It is the most used VPN application to provide a fast, a stable and a secure internet access in the whole world. So this application, after installing it, open this application, and after opening this application, you're going to sign in. And if you don't know how to sign in, I already made a video on that. You can check up the in video links, or you can wait for this video to end. I'm going to be providing you with the in video link or the end screen on how to set up this application. So you're going to press skip, and then after, our goal is to check up the internet speed. You're going to come right here on the bottom where you have VPN, then it's on the bottom of our screen, and then you have the speed test. Check the speed test, and then after, you're going to press that button, this one, which looks like a play button, and then after, wait for it for a few seconds for it to check up with the internet speed. By doing this, we're able to check the internet speed, the download speed, the upload speed, the latency, the jitter, the packet loads, and then after, be able to see your country, your provider, or in the internet service provider, your IP address, and others. So keep in mind that this tutorial is for information research and demonstration purposes only. Users are requested to comply with the local laws for internet service provider terms and conditions. And then after, don't forget to subscribe. We're checking up the internet speed. Keep in mind that if to get a download speed, you're going to get 1 out of 8 times the internet speed. By doing that, you do have checked your download speed. So let us wait for this to check up our internet speed. I'm going to show you my internet speed right now using ExpressVPN application. So these are the speed results. The download speed is 18 Mbps, the upload speed 10 Mbps, that is the latency, which is 145 ms, the jitter, it is 3 ms, and the packet loss, it is 0%. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. I sign out.